Samsung Galaxy S21 series is launching this month and the launch event is happening on 14th of January. That is a bit earlier from the typical Samsung schedule of every year. The Samsung S21 lineup will be the best ever series from Samsung. There are almost 9 days left in the official launch event, but we have already got all about the S21 Ultra. We have the official teasers, all of the specs, leaks and pretty much everything. Now we all know that there will be no charger in the box in S21 series, but wait. There are other things that will actually make you skip the charger thoughts. This will be the first ever Samsung S series that's gonna have stylus S Pen. Yeah, there are rumors and leaks that Samsung is not continuing their Note series anymore and we might not see any new Samsung Note device this year. So Samsung has shifted their stylus in S series now and this is how it looks like. We've already seen the official images of Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus and now here are the official images for S21 Ultra. Believe it or not, this Samsung device is actually the beast and design is way much better than the last year's S20 Ultra. Starting off with display, S21 Ultra will have same size display as its predecessor and it will be 6.8 inches larger. This will be a WQHD plus curved display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. And just like the Xiaomi Mi 11 display, the display of S21 Ultra will also be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. That is the latest Gorilla Glass and also known as Gorilla Glass 7, which can survive from 2 meters of falling. The selfie camera will be on the same position on top center of display and it will be a 40 megapixel sensor this time. Now let's talk about the most anticipated portion of this device, the cameras. Yes, cameras. S21 Ultra is again equipping that gigantic camera module, but it looks great. I mean, it personally looks really nice to me as compared to the S20 Ultra camera module, as this is the most premium variant of S21 lineup, so it has quad camera setup with 3 big lenses in it. Main sensor is of 108 megapixel. This will also be capable of recording 8K videos at 30 fps and 4K videos at 60 fps. And it's not the same sensor as we saw in S20 Ultra, but it is a new HM3 sensor which is 1 by 1.33 inches in size. This means more room for light to enter through sensor. Then a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120-degree field of view. Now this Ultra model will have 2 telephoto sensors and we have already seen this leak months ago. One of them will be capable of going up to 10 times and second one will go max up to 3 times, and both of these are 10 megapixel sensors. If you want to have an idea of camera bump on S21 Ultra, then here you can see we have a side view of S21 Ultra and I like the way Samsung designed their module this time, as it is falling all the way from the back of phone to left side where physical keys are located. So bump is no more higher than its predecessors, so I think a lot of users are gonna ignore the bump size. Now talking about the performance, then there will be latest Samsung chipset Exynos 2100 and Geekbench scores have proved that it's gonna take over the Snapdragon 888 this year. There is 12 GB maximum RAM variant in S21 Ultra. Battery capacity might go all the way up to 5000 milliamps with 45 watts of fast charging. And as I've already told you that Samsung Unpacked event is happening on 14th of January and most likely Samsung is gonna announce their S21 lineup in this Unpacked event. That's all for S21 Ultra. Do let me know what do you think about the design of this S21 Ultra and I'll catch you in the next one.